baritone instrument to show you today. Number 910. It's a baritone ukulele with a redwood top and curly walnut back and sides. And I haven't had a redwood and walnut in a little while, but it's always a good choice. Super curly, right? And the redwood's really cool too, really old tight grain wood. It's got a sapele neck, which is like an African mahogany neck, and the rest is pistachio. So this redwood came from a boat shop in Tacoma. This was an old beam, and then I got the walnut and the pistachio from Kevin from woodfromthewest.com. I think this walnut was from Southern Oregon, like down by Medford. And this combo is great. I do a lot of red cedar and walnut too, and it's close, but I think redwood's got a little more dry snap to it than the cedar is a little wetter sounding. Yeah, really nice long sustain. This customer also asked for a wider fretboard, and then got a little leaf there in the headstock. So number 910, ready to go. Cheers.